So, welcome back to Dear Rain Moto. I bought something that nobody should buy whilst on a motorcycle tour. An umbrella. Oh fuck yeah. Living life over here. As I've been saying the entire time, come to Italy, they said. The weather is always nice, they said. Apparently not so. So I decided to stay in this city for one extra day. Not because I'm enjoying the weather, but because it's raining all over Italy. And I thought, what's the point of getting wet for no reason and going from one rainy city to another rainy city. So tomorrow it's not supposed to rain on the coast, on the sides where I want to go, towards Pisa, Monaco, that side of Italy. So I'm gonna go tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll have some rain at the beginning of the ride, but when I get to the coast it's supposed to be sunny, so I can camp, hopefully have a bit of sun, a bit of beach, and after that I can start going up towards Switzerland again. So for now I'm enjoying the views. I'm trying to recuperate from my man flu, and yeah, today's video might be just a couple of minutes long. I'll show you some rainy views, some cathedrals and stuff, and that's it. No motorcycles. So if you want to see motorcycles, tune in into tomorrow's video or watch the ones before this one. And yeah, stay tuned, and I'm sorry for all my sniffs, but I am dying from the man flu after all, so sorry about that. So with that being said, see you in a minute. So I'm just walking around in this cathedral, and it's impressive. Like, it really is impressive, the architecture. But I'm not gonna bore you with that. There was a confession room where you could just go in and confess your sins. I thought about going in, but then again, I only have 1 week for this trip, and I'm sure I would be there for a couple weeks, so let's keep that for another video. For now, I'll just keep exploring. Look at that. You can actually buy that. It costs 1,050 euros, and you could be the white Batman. That's crazy. I didn't even know that you could buy those things. I mean, I never even thought about it, so to be fair. But it's expensive. It's like, it really is expensive. But if you want to dress up as a priest for your next Halloween party and you want to do it properly, then you know where to come. This is actually impressive. Again. So welcome to DrSwiss Moto Basilica Tours. Sorry. Just hit the man. Look at that. They have a lot of gold. I'm sure I can get a lot of inspiration for my Ducati Monster project. By the way, I'm not a believer in anything, so And I'm also not trying to be disrespectful of anybody's religion, so just bear with me. It's just this one. It's quite an impressive cathedral, basilica. I don't know how you call it, but yeah. If I make some stupid joke, I'm sorry about that. It wasn't my intention. I'm actually afraid of heights. For those who know me, they know that I am. And even looking how high that ceiling is gives me a bit of a vertigo. That's incredible. So yeah, as I said, welcome to DrSwiss Moto Tours. If you want some information about this church, I can give it to you. It was built 25 years ago. It's relatively new. It's home to Saint David, the saint of all motorcyclists. And yeah, I don't know much more than that. And it may also be completely false what I just said, so take it with a grain of salt. Like the colors on this one. So I'm out again, and this camera makes me look orange, dark and strange, I don't know. Oh well, not here to impress anybody. To all your keyboard warriors out there, I took my hat off because I'm a respectful motherfucker, so don't worry about that. Very interesting, as I said, so I don't know much more to say than very interesting when I go to those places, so sorry about that. I also don't think that you tuned into this channel for some architectural and Catholic information, so oh well, if you did, then sorry about that as well. So let's go for a walk. Let's try to find somewhere to eat some good pizza, because pizza is life. So now I'm just walking on the streets so that I'm not filming people's asses while showing you the city of Padova. It's like that. Padova. I don't know. Sounds Croatian actually. Yeah, just walking around, looking at nothing, talking about nothing, showing you rain and little Italian cars. What more could you want from this channel? It's amazing. I'm pretty sure this video is gonna have like 1.5 million, 2 million views on day one, because it's so freaking incredible. So yeah, looking forward to the fame. If you made it this far, leave a comment so that I know that you are the true ones. If not, for fuck's sake, come on, do better. Welcome back to DrSwiss Moto and places I know nothing about. Right now we are on Piazza Who Gives a Fuck, looking at Who Gives a Damn in the rain. I'm accompanied by my sidekick, Mr. Umbrella. We are having a fantastic day today. Whew. I'm burning with all this sun. Oh, fuck. So yeah, this is a very nice garden. Yesterday I shot my outro here. It was full of people basking in the sun. Today all those people were washed away by the torrents and rain that appeared. So yeah, it's amazing. There is another chapel, church, cathedral, whatever down there, so let's go look at that one. And then there is a shop down there that I'm gonna go in and buy some tissues because I'm suffering from the man flu. What a great day to be in Italy. So since I'm here, might as well go cross the bridge, one of the many bridges I haven't burned yet, and go into this beautiful place, which is actually nice. There's like a bit of water going around it. I'd love to live here. I would put my house right smack down in the middle, put just one bridge going in and out with the option of pulling it away, fill the river with alligators, and my life would be amazing. Amazing. Me alone in my island in the middle of the city. And now I'm walking in circles so that I don't step on water. I know, living the high life, being a jet setter isn't for everybody. Don't hate the game, or don't hate the player, hate the game. I know. Look at that. They even turned the fountain off, because you will probably not be able to see the water coming up with all the water that is coming down. So I'll be right back to show you some other freaking thing about this freaking town. This is transforming into a really aggressive vlog. Look at all these idiots coming down, thinking to themselves, oh my god, we are in Italy, so cool. No, it's not. So I'm in the supermarket. Not only did I buy an umbrella, ta-da! Oh yeah, living the life. Hey, it's me again, Bundle of Joy McGee. Look at that, the weather got better. Just kidding, it's still shit. I think I caught some blue sky for some reason in the middle of this freaking town, and I have the Italian rosers right behind me. I don't know if they are here for me or for something else. Maybe I shouldn't have just accelerated like that, but well, let's see if they go. Please go past. Please don't stop me. I didn't do anything wrong, Carabinieri. There you go. There you go. Thank you. So I'm gonna let them go for a bit and then get back into bullet mode.